How do I get my business site higher in Google? Part 3. Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Ty with Port Bell SEO. I talked about myself in Part 1, so I'm not going to repeat myself here. I hope you don't mind. I'm going over the 29 tips on SEO when building a website, and I'm going to pick on 3 specific tips for today. The link to this article, if you want to read it, is going to be in the notes or description or a caption, depending upon where you're watching this. If you're listening to the podcast, go to portbell.com, click on Success Tips, and you'll be able to watch it if you want and see the images that you can't see when you're listening to the podcast. So today I'm going to pick on, first, number 5. Accurate web pages are. Enough said. Don't write false stuff on a web page. The search engines will notice it eventually. And even if they don't, people will. And people are who you're really trying to attract, right? Make sure what you write is as accurate as you can get. And link to other web pages that support what you're saying. Search engines love that. They will make you more of an authority if you can link to other websites that support your view on things. It's kind of scary that they're so good at it these days that they can do that. Next one is going to be number 17. Keywords make all the difference. Keywords are part of the core of SEO. The cornerstone of a good search engine optimization strategy is finding the right keywords. A plumber may think that he or she wants to be at the top of the search engines for plumber, but are you sure? If you're in New York, do you want calls from Florida? That's quite a drive. So maybe plumber New York is better. But what kind of plumber? Residential, commercial, industrial? Yeah, those are all different kinds of plumbers. You need to find the keywords that work best for your business and be as specific as you can. A great free tool you can use is Ubersuggest. This is a robust tool that will help you find good keywords and much more. Look at the most popular keywords, but don't necessarily pick them. If they're very competitive, you might want to pick a keyword a bit lower in the list so you can get onto page 1 for it quicker, and then work on the more popular keywords later. Number 23. Track how your keywords are performing. Doing all this keyword stuff won't help if you don't track it. Use Google Search Console or another analytic program to track how your keywords are doing over time. And I'm going to give you a bit of a secret. It might be up when you listen to this, but right now it's not. portbell.com/SEO tools. We're developing a new tool program that can help with that as well. Hey, thank you all for listening. Remember, go to portbell.com. Under Success Tips, click Join the Team, join the club, and that way you'll be the first person to know when new videos and new podcasts come out. We're all over the podcast area. Just look for Dr. Ty or Port Bell. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it. And give us a like. Let us know how we're doing. I'm always interested in finding out. Have a great day.